Hey, oh, let me in now. Oh, the con.
Masain tukin jing wakathon 2025 lo tel zong zong te chibai vek ule in zawai chunga lom thu soye tin hei boin tukin jing a hianin kan health minister zaom takin minon tel puya chuba ka ubei chua kan mla zaom takin minon tel pui theya anchunga lom thu kan soi masa a tin he wakathon hi a huai hot tu te ya bul tum tu te hi Mizoram Health System Strengthening Project te ania World Bank kan ti te kha an ni mai ni chuan NCD nat na hi kan shia ta ni heart attack te zun thum te thisen sang te cancer stroke te a hluar so tle a chu wang chuanin tuna hianin thina thlen tu tam berani ti kha karon tar lang doa chuan he nat na hi aven the ni aven the dan kong kha anh ni all sam te ati the tak sa che tam kha ani maya exer la khe chu tu ken jing hianin exercise hey heta wakathon kan nei don ani ya exercise zinga all ber chu ke kal hi ni maya sum le pa ngai lowa all sam te athil ti the ani ya tu pon kan ti the ya pan ro ngai lo ni kha ke kal tam hi ani mai ati kha lo chin chia ta ila chuan ni tin ni ka kan pum pel the ni ti kha karon soi du bok ani chuan NCD nat na hi in tir theya in check up tir theya kha sub center ate health and wellness center kan tiang chi ate PHC CHC sub district hospital le district hospital ate point check up tir thei reng ani a thon vekin ati thei ti kha lo sheta pukila chuan boinia he wakathon 2025 walk for health hi Mizoram khwa zanga le som le district headquarters panga man na lo ni to a chuan aizola atop kharnan hin boinia he han man me kania chuan wakathon 2025 sikul pui kona tanga atanga kaltan na chu lom takin kawai liame
Nam Tông Khá còn hợp vô mà công ty hết cả.
Honorable Advisor to CM Pulen Wanpe Punte, Honorable MLA Dr. K. Bechwa, Health Official Local Zong Te, MHSSP Officers Local Zong Te, World Bankers Team Leader, Miss Nafni Kaur Manjandale, a team member te, Media te, Le Hilai Local Com Zong te, is a Vayin Walkathon 2025. Si bay kabuk veka cheu. Tu tina wak chin zong han ban parlok piang. Wow, kut be ngau le. Hang ho te tan along ne mai. Mi zo te kan chang kam pian piala. Morning walk ne te, evening walk ne te, exercise lak te hi kan in thi mu na sa to em along mom tak zet ni hei. Pulen man pi punte kan MLA po hi ke in pei ko pun mia lavin awak thina kum som le pangana ni putben sakrawang. Dr. K. Bechwa po hi tu tinin awak lo po in an kota te badminton ten khel thina nasataka bidang te inspire to ni. Ke ma po kan in soi ve lo nga kum som ni ai tang hi morning walk kan ei to a chutiang chuanin Bangalore kan om lai poin zi matanin ka walk thina kum sang ni le som pariat Mizoram kan lo chuan chwa atang pe ka chuan tu tin hian lunglei chan maria kan in atang hian ser kon ka chen lo chuan so ta achim lama sethun ka theng thina chutiang chuanin Pathianin katiang morning walk min pek kha min kaltir thei na chance ka nei kha shisel nan kaman phana se mema tuna po hianin walking hi han nei tai langin mitam tak chuan min thuk lawani amai ro chu khan tin kan nin nu hian in leng te jing kara kan nga thin ema chu wang chuan walk kan kal tha thei to lawa ashom ema kan in kot tua la tan hian rei lo te hi trisel na tan kala nei thina ni ti chuan in thi tam tak kan mai tha to a mai ro chu hi tu kin zinga hetia anga program kan man thei na te hi I ministry lama tangin le MHSSP lama tangin ni a sap tong thu toi te soi nga ya anon zia chwa sai ka chia mai dona heng hi khulama la thon thak le tur ni wangin I thil dang tam tak chu ka sei lo ma boina kan lo pun khom na chan hi chun zum ze ni langin toi te tal minute som thum Dr. Arik zo moi ra sayang khan minute som thum tal kan wak thin na hian kan nun hi apot sei don ni ti sha in le nat na in kai chon theilo thil tam tak keng sar te thi sen sang te zun thum te laka min veng don ni ti sha in wa ke chun zom chu turin tu kin local form zong te ka som cheuni. Good morning to you all. It is wonderful to see so many happy faces early in the morning who have responded to the call to participate in the walkathon. Today is a big day in the history of Mizoram. More than 70,000 people have already participated in 500 villages and 5 towns and have collectively walked more than 250,000 kilometers. I'm sure today's large gathering numbers would be aided and help Mizoram achieve greater heights. This morning's sunrise is different. It awakens us all proud Mizos to witness a new record being created, a new beginning in our lives to collectively make efforts to ensure a healthy future to all. Today, we are not just walking, we are raising awareness on the non-communicable diseases of lung, heart and cancers. I'm sure this walkathon event will bring a difference in our community. We have to make our health priority. As you all know, this event is organized by MHSSP with support from World Bank, but event of this scale will not be possible if all our people at the grassroots have not participated wholeheartedly. MHSSP's community intervention works with doctors, nurses, health and wellness officers, village health, sanitation and nutrition committees, ASAs and community level functionaries, members of our own village council, OMA, MHCP, SHG groups, school children, youth associations, church leaders and general people. All of these people during the last 3 years have been working tirelessly to reach individual homes and talk to them about non-communicable diseases and our health in general. I am also told that all districts health department officials, starting from chief medical officers and their staff members, have participated in the community intervention activities to fight against NCDs. The district collectors and commissioners along with the police officials have extended their support to make this event a grand success. It shows that no one entity working alone can tackle the burden and challenges of NCDs. It requires collaborative efforts of all key stakeholders. The hard work put in by all of these members at villages and town working tirelessly has resulted in making this impossible task possible. I extend my congratulations to community intervention team of MHSSP, World Bank official and all of you. I'm reminded of an African proverb that says, it takes a village to raise a child, but the same can be said regarding our approach to the health challenges confronting us. It takes a village to prevent and control non-communicable diseases, and truly the MHSSP project has meaningfully engaged with the communities. The community intervention team proved that when communities are educated, engaged and empowered, they will participate with government agencies and make social change possible. I urge all of you, whether we are living in villages or town or even in Aizawl city, let us continue this good habit of working every day. Let's make Dhamma a reality. Let's make Mizoram a healthy state. Thank you all.